to another video. So as you see, I have this poppin' ass blonde wig, but she needs to get a transformation. So as you guys see right here, I'm about to use the purple shampoo to do the water method using shiny silver. Put some in there in the hot water. Gotta shake it around. Oh, my camera. So the purple shampoo is gonna like remove all that brassiness and make it look nice. For our brown skin girls, so you just keep dipping it in, until you see it not as brassy. Let it sit there for like 2 to 3 minutes. Don't abuse it. Keep dipping, keep dipping. Okay. Wow, look at that. Now it's time to rinse her off. Look how nice it looks. Look at that. Wow. Tone. Who doesn't love that? Shit. We'll condition her up so she's nice and smooth. Yo, that color is freaking bomb. Wow, look at that. That blonde is beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna put her on the mannequin and watch me work. So this is how she looking, my little beauty. Combed her out. She looks nice and presentable. But yes, that's how she's looking right after I put the purple shampoo, comb her out, let it air dry so I could dye her. Then we're gonna be using the Revlon light ash brown. Got the got to be glue, and we're gonna spray down the lace front. So like that, when we dye it, it won't sink through. Okay. Okay, let's put her back on. Comb her out. Make sure she's not free, knotless. Okay, I'm gonna mix the hair dye. I only bought one because I didn't think I needed two. Okay, keep on, keep on. Mix, 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 mix. Mix away. Okay, now it's time to apply the hair dye. So I started at the bottom. Well, kind of like the bottom, but yeah. Now I started at the bottom. Then you're gonna see me, I'm only putting it on the roots, and every time I apply the hair dye, I brush it. You're gonna see that. You're gonna see me brushing it. Like that, it won't look too choppy, and it will look cool. It will look like highlights. You see, bam. You see it? You see the difference already? Okay. See, I'm almost at the top. It's the same process all over. So apply hair dye only at the roots, and then brush. See? repeat the process. Then you'll see right here, I noticed that that spot was too long. So I applied more hair dye. Make sure everything looks nice. It doesn't have to be even. That's the main point of brushing it. Okay, I'm at the top. Then at the top, you have to be very careful. Just make sure you just do it on the roots and not on the lace, girls, because then your lace is gonna be looking crazy. As you can see right here, finished dyeing the roots, the lace. Look how good I did. I did a good ass job. Just keep with the brush and you'll get the same results. At first I was scared because it was too dark, but so this is the final results after I washed it, conditioned it, and let it air dry. I did cut the lace as well. So right here I posted some pictures of how it looked when I was finished, and I did a bomb ass job for it being my first time. And here is the final look. I did get my makeup done because it was my birthday, but look at my wig. She is coming from the scalp, baby. And look at that blonde. That blonde is just perfect on me. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys like this video.